Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove this site is optimized by Yoast SEO on your site. So for example, I have just opened this post, and once you go to view page source, you're going to open it up, and now as you can see there is this site is optimized with Yoast SEO plugin. And if you don't want this to have it on your site, then we will need to go ahead and go to our plugins. Now what you want to do is go ahead to your plugins and install W3 Total Catch, and we're going to use this one to remove that Yoast SEO sentence. You want to activate it, and from here you want to go to settings on W3 Total Catch. Now you want to go ahead on general settings on your W3 Total Catch, and you want to enable page catch. I'm just going to save it. And after this, you will see here a minify option, which we have to use. So I'm just going to also enable it just like so. And now let's go to the minify option right there. In just a second. Here it is. Now you want to scroll down and enable the HTML minify settings and leave these ignored comment stems. If you want to leave that SEO on page source, you can write down this site is optimized. And now when you refresh it, basically you will see that Yoast SEO comment. If you would delete this, then it shouldn't be there. So let's save it now. Let's go to our site and refresh it. After it refreshes, we're going to again view a page source. Let's go ahead and view page source. And now, as you can see, there is no comment of that Yoast SEO anymore. So if you want to get it back, you would need to write this one down right there. So yeah, that's how it works. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.